Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve a practice question for factorizing quadratic where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. Let us take a look. So we got 4x squared plus 10x plus 4. First, we can factorize it with this 4. Their highest common factor is 2. We can take it to outside. So we got 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Okay, so this is A, B, and C. So we need to find the two numbers. When we make it product, this will be AC equal to 4. And the sum is going to be B, which is 5. Then we will just write it into the table. Okay, 2x squared, we will write it here, 2x squared and 2. So here with x. So we got this two number, which is 4 and 1. So we'll write it 4 here and 1. Take it the highest common factor of each. So this column 2x squared and 4x. So the highest common factor is 2x. Here is 1. It's only x and 2. Okay, so the factor is 2x plus 1. Then we multiply with x plus 2. Don't forget this number 2 outside. So we will write it here. So here is the answer. Okay, this is A. Next, B. We got 4x squared plus 12x minus 72. Okay, we can find the highest common factor of this equation. So we got 4 here. So you got x squared plus 12. We divide by 3 is 3. So this is 3x. And here is minus. We got 72 divided by 4. So you got 10. Okay, 18. Okay, we can just factorize inside here. So 4 is gonna be x. We need to find two numbers. When the product equal to minus 18, the sum equal to 3. Minus 18 and 3. What could be that number? 9 and 2. Okay, to make it 18, let's make it 9 and 2. No, we cannot make it 9 and 2. 6 and 3. Yeah, there it is. So 6 and minus 3. So we got plus 6 and minus 3. So the answer is gonna be here. The factor is 4. Then x plus 6. Then we multiply with x minus 3. There it is. Let's try C. So C, we got 2x squared minus 9x plus 9. So this is A, B, C. We need to find the product of AC. It's gonna be 18. And the sum of B, which is minus 9. So we'll draw the table. Okay, write it here to x squared and 9 here. So here we need to find these two number. What number when we multiply it equal to 18? However, the sum is gonna be minus 9. Okay, there it is, we got it, which is minus 6 and minus 3. So this is minus 3 This is minus 6. Okay, here 2x squared and x gonna be only x. Here's gonna be 2x. We'll take it negative 3 and minus 3. Okay, we got it. So the factorize is 2x minus 3, then x minus 3. Okay, there it is. Let's continue D. D, we got 10x squared minus 4x minus 14. Their highest common factor is 2, so we make it 5x squared minus 2x minus 7. This is A, B, C. We need to find the product of AC, which is minus 35, and the sum of B, which is minus 2. Okay, we got it. These two numbers is minus 7 and 5. So we'll write it, just put it into the table. So minus 5x squared, we will write it here. Minus 7. Here minus 7, and here is 5. X and x. So find their highest common factor. So here is 5x and then minus 7. Here is only x and 1. So the factorize is gonna be 5x minus 7, and here x plus 1. But we got here 4, 2, so we'll multiply it by 2 in front of it. Okay, D. Let's continue E. So we got 12x squared plus 23x and plus by 10. So this is A, B, C. We need to find the product of 120 and the sum of B, which is 23. What could be these two number? Then we'll just put it into the table. You write it here 12x squared. Here is 10. So we just need to find the two number. When we multiply it, this is gonna be equal to 120. However, when we make it sum, it's gonna be 23. So what could be this number? So let us try to make it 120 is 60 and 2. Then we got 30 and 4. We got 20 and 6. What else can we make it 120? So 120 times 1. Okay, that is good. We need to find the two numbers. So 120, we can try to multiply it by 20. 20 times 6. Now the sum is not gonna be 23. 23. We have to find the sum. 12 times 10. The sum is not 20. So there it is. We got 15 and 8. Okay, So we can just put it here 15 and 8. Now we will find the highest common factor of each. 12 and 8, the highest common factor is 4. So this is 4x. Here is 5. 12 and 15, their highest common factor is 3x. 8x plus 10 to, okay, so we got it. So 3x plus 2. Then we multiply it with 4x plus 5. C, and then we got F. 6x squared plus 6x minus 12. Okay, their highest common factor is 6. So it's gonna be x squared plus x minus 2. So we can factorize it. So x plus 2, and then x minus 1. Because when we sum, it's gonna be 1. When we multiply, it equal 2 minus 2. So 6. We multiply with x plus 2, and then x minus 1. Okay, now is G. So the question is, for G, we got x plus 1 squared plus 3 multiplied by x plus 1, and then plus by 2. So x plus 1 squared is gonna be x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus by 3x plus 3, and then plus by 3. So it's gonna be x squared. 2x plus 3x gonna be 5x. 1 plus 3 and 2, it's gonna be 6. So we can factorize it x. When we multiply it equal to 6. When we addition equal to 5. We got plus 3 and plus 2. See the factorize. Next we got the H question. Is 3, and then we multiply by x plus 1 square minus 10, and then x plus 1 minus 25. So here we have 3 times x squared plus 2x plus 1. Here is minus 10x minus 10. Here is minus 25. So we got 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 minus 10x minus 10 with 25 is 35. So we got 3x squared, 6x minus 4x minus 4x, 3 and minus 35 is gonna be minus 33. Okay, so we have to find the product. So it's gonna be A, B and C. So the product of AC, so we got 3 times minus 33, so minus 99, while the sum has to be B, minus 4. Okay, let us find the number to make it 99. Let's try 11 and 9. So let's double check again. So x plus 1 is gonna be x squared plus 2x plus 1, and here minus 10x minus 10 and minus 25. Okay, 3 times x squared, 3x squared, 3 times 2 is 6x, 3 times 1 is 3. And then here you got minus 10. Okay. Not 33. So this is 32. Because plus 3 minus by 35 is minus 32. So we need to find two number when we multiply this product is gonna be AC, which is 3 times 32 is minus 96, while we are addition is gonna be minus 4. So 96, we got 12 and 8. So to make it minus, here it is minus 12 and 8. So we can write it into the table. Okay, we'll write it here to the x squared minus 32, and here is minus 12x and 8x. Let us find the highest common factor of each. So here gonna be x, only here is minus 4, it's gonna be 3x, 8x, and minus 32 is 8. So we got 3x plus 8, then we multiply it with x minus 4. Okay, last question for I. Here we got 2y minus 3 square, 2y minus 3 square, and then minus 2, we multiplied with 2y minus 3, 2y minus 3, then minus by 8. Okay, so here 2y minus 3, so it's gonna be 4y squared minus 2 times 3 is 6, that we double it, so 12y plus 9 minus 4y plus 6 and minus 8. So we got 4y squared minus 12 and minus 4y is gonna be minus 16y, and then 9. Okay, here is gonna be plus by 7. Okay, so we need to find the product AC, which is 4 times 7 is 28, and the sum of B, which is minus 16. 28 to make it 28, then we got it. This is 14 and 2, so to make it minus 16, so yeah, both of them is gonna be minus. And write it into the table. So here A is 4y squared right here and plus 7. Next is minus 14y and minus 2y. Okay, if this two number is minus, so here is gonna be minus also. Just take it minus 1 here. So 4y squared and 2y, so it's gonna be 2y. Here is 7. Here is 1. 4y and minus, okay, so 2y. So we got it 2y minus 1 multiplied with 2y minus 7. There it is. Thank you.